So why is Tesla allowing its competitors to use their charging stations? Mercedes-Benz is just the latest in a long line of competitors to cross over.
Well, Tesla inching closer to having an industry-wide universal plug after Mercedes announces it will be the first German car maker to implement Tesla's charging plug. Here with the details, we've got Yahoo Finance's Pras Subramanian. Pras, it was only a few weeks ago when we were saying that Tesla is setting the North American standard. Now you've got at least one German car maker on board. This is a global conversation.
Yeah, add another partner or scalp to Tesla's a list of new companies joining their supercharger network. Now with Mercedes in 2024, Mercedes will have access to 12,000 supercharger stalls in the U.S. and North America. And in 2025, Mercedes will add the Tesla NACS port to its own cars, meaning they'll have native access to the supercharger network. So this is sort of similar to the deals that they're making with GM and Ford and even Volvo. The one little wrinkle here is that Mercedes, they had already previously announced a bespoke charging network, the Mercedes network. They're now going to add the Tesla NACS plug to that network. So that's kind of a big deal too. They were really going all in on that standard. So another big kind of partner here for Tesla. Like I said, Germany's first original equipment manufacturer to do this, and we might hear from Hyundai and also Volkswagen. They're also rumored to be speaking to Tesla too.
Meantime, Pras, Tesla has been very aggressive in getting additional customers on board. They're out with even more incentives. What's the very latest there?
Yeah, so Tesla restarted their referral partner program about a month or two ago. They had it for many years before. Basically, what happens is if you use a referral link from a prior owner, you will get some incentives here. In this case, new buyers will get $500 in off their purchase price and 3 months of FSD self-driving capabilities there. And also the person who is the referrer will get 10,000 referral credits, which can be used for supercharging points, Tesla merch, things like that. So now referral links are everywhere. You don't need to actually know a prior owner to get a link. You can get one online anywhere, so not a big deal. So, but the big deal here, the kind of the bottom line here is that this isn't a big sort of mover like a massive price cut is for a Tesla vehicle, but it just kind of goes to show you that incentives matter. People like these things, and Tesla really wants to sort of keep growing those delivery numbers into Q3.
Okay, Pras Subramanian with the latest update on that. Thanks so much. Well, Tesla.
Tesla has had a huge run up from the November lows, up almost 200% in roughly 8 months. My short-term target remains $300. But why can and will price go higher? This article is coming from Yahoo Finance by way of Business Insider. The real reason Tesla is letting rival car companies use its charging station. Compared with most public charging networks, which use slower level 2 chargers, Tesla's NACS system is lickety-split fast. But that doesn't answer the question of why Tesla has decided to open the gates to its formerly walled garden of supercharger stations. It doesn't seem to be for the money because GM and Ford aren't paying for access. Tesla famously uses cellular and Wi-Fi to collect what one investigation called a hoard of data about its cars and users, tracking everything from the efficiency of the braking system to how often drivers use the AC. And the ports on its chargers pull down even more information. Now, by letting Ford and GM plug into its chargers, I think Tesla may be able to siphon off data from its rival cars too. For starters, it will collect the state and rate of charge of a car's battery. Then, by pairing that data with a driver's credit card info and the car's vehicle identification number, Tesla could effectively perform the equivalent of an ultrasound on the performance of its competitor's battery system. Tesla's communication folks didn't respond to any questions regarding this latest issue or opportunity, however you look at it. Tesla and Elon says it's the key to self-driving in Teslas. He stated, charging researchers for access to data at Twitter, and he's relying on brain activity data from early Neuralink users to make his brain chip easier to use. For Musk, as for many in Silicon Valley, there's nothing bigger than big data. So let's scroll down to the weekly chart. Price did not and could not get down to this massive uptrend line, which was support, 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 became resistance, and now support, because the momentum is too great. And I think Wall Street is missed the boat. However, for the week, we ended with an inverted hammer candle that's bearish. Let's go to the weekly chart. Question is, will Tesla decline, fill the gap, and move higher? Or will we see a bigger decline again to this monthly uptrend line at the 230-ish before moving higher? The next couple of weeks should be interesting as we move into the summer months. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.